Boo! Welcome back to our very special Halloween episode. Today I'm going to show everyone how to make a jack-o'-lantern and use all the parts of the jack-o'-lantern. So we're not going to throw anything away. So this gorgeous jack-o'-lantern I have behind me is actually not a pumpkin. It's a squash, a winter squash called Cucurbita maxima, also known as kabocha squash or Japanese squash. It's actually green on the outside and orange on the inside and very sweet, really good for cooking. Pumpkin and squash in general is very healthy for you, high in fiber and high in a load of vitamins, especially vitamin C, which is great for your immune health, and it's also very tasty. So this gorgeous squash I carved out with a spoon. So I cut the lid off, and then I took a big metal spoon and scraped out all the insides, and I made it fairly thin enough that you can actually see the light of the candle coming through the skin of the pumpkin. So that's how much of the meat I pulled out. So the squash meat I'm gonna save and make into a delicious recipe. I haven't decided what yet, maybe ravioli or a delicious sort of pie or a bread. I have no idea. Feel free to send me your suggestions. Then the seeds I saved and dried them out, rinsed them off, dried them. About a handful I saved for planting next year. So I dried them off really well, stored them in a cool, dry place. As long as they're dry, they will last all the way till next summer. So I'm gonna hang on to them and then plant them next June for next Halloween. And the rest of them, I'm gonna roast with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and it's a really fun, crunchy, healthy snack. So this is a great at-home Halloween activity this year. I hope you guys find some very cool squashes out there and get really creative with your carving this year. Feel free to send me pictures on Instagram at Eco Urban Gardens. I would love to see them. Have a great, fun, safe weekend, everyone, and I'll see you next week. Bye.